Welcome back. Hello. So you saw the strawberries from the Biggest Little Farm, aka Apricot Lane Farm. Oh my gosh, so excited that I was able to bring 6 of those home. That's all they would sell to me. They're that good. So I'm going to be really taking great care of those strawberries. They're going to last a lifetime, and we're going to share those runners with some friends as they decide to, multiply, which they will. I'm so excited. But in the meantime, I have developed a strawberry patch, and I just have to share that with you. So let's go check it out. I am thinking I just might have to make it home with some of these gorgeous strawberries. What do you think? New cover crop, maybe? Okay, let's go get the strawberries. They're over here. They've been, oh my goodness. Really? Check it out. That's what they do. Perfect little circle. They're really starting to annoy me. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. Everywhere. Like, I'm over it. I am over it. All right, Ritzy, but look at all. Everybody's looking happy. Yeah, baby. And these flowers, I've had these flowers for going on, this is the 4th season. Can you believe it? Believe it. See, there's that other, I don't know what this is. The birds have dropped this all over the place. We're gonna see. I'm gonna wait and see what it is to see if I let it stay or not. Okay, you see this green stalk is gone too. It's over there. I may be reseeding that because only a few of my bush beans are coming out. Might be the soil, because remember we had some issues with the soil. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. There we go. So we're going to put all these over in the strawberry patch. And you see, these are going to be first year strawberry plants. These were from runners. And so all the little blossoms get plucked off the first year. Then you have a high producing strawberry from then on. Okay, let's get going. Okay, let's water in these strawberries, but check it out. I think that tomatoes just might be next. Getting them in the ground. Check them out. Look at those. Look at these. And these. What do you think? I think they're ready. But let's finish up our strawberries. What do you say, Ritzy Roo? Want to finish up your strawberries? Gonna finish up the strawberry patch? Huh? That's my girl. That's my girl. All right, let's do it. Let's water it in. Woo! Oh, she loves licking on that hose, but she won't lick on it if I have it and it's coming out. She just likes it when it drips. Whoops. Hey, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Get out of there. Silly girl. Come on. Let's go. Water in our strawberries. Water in our strawberries. Woo. Had to get out here early and do this, although it's supposed to be a really nice day today. So, oops, I missed me a couple. Anyhow, all right. So there's grass here. You can hardly see it, but there's one there, one there, one there, one there, all the way down. All right. I don't know about you, but she hosed down your cement, so it's pretty, or maybe you'd, I don't know. Yeah, I am the backyard homesteader after all. Anyway, we gotta turn this down. There we go. And just water you in. It was nice and damp because I prepared for this last night, but we'll just give it a little soaking. Make it happy. That one's a little deep. I hope it survives. I didn't realize it was that deep. Oh well. We'll see how hardy you are. There's another one. That's all nice and damp there. We don't need too much. Just a little. I actually haven't watered today, so this was all from, I did water it down really good last night, or actually it wasn't nighttime. Maybe it was. I don't remember. In the afternoon sometime, because I knew I was going to be planting these strawberries, and I wanted to make sure they had damp soil. And plus it's easier to dig a hole, right? Yeah, we got some strawberries over there. That's from the 6 plants that I took out to make room for the strawberries from Apricot Lane Farm, aka the biggest little farm. Oh my gosh. I hope you saw that video. If you didn't, I'll put a link at the end. Go watch that video. We had so much fun. You might have to watch it in segments. It's a little bit longer, but you know what? You just can't do it all in one. I mean, you know, actually, I haven't edited it yet. Maybe I will make it a 2-parter. I don't know. We'll see. You'll know by the time this comes out. You should know. So I'll be editing that later. Getting ready for my Sunday video. I'm actually thinking about I had started this in January, but I didn't have the right mount. So everything was bouncing around, and that's no fun. All right. Let's see. So anyway, I was just thinking, wouldn't it be nice to have a daily morning vlog? And if not, I mean, it would be me commuting to work. I'm a backyard homesteader who just started a brick and mortar business. And so I do have a commute every day, and yeah, that would be awesome, wouldn't it, to chat in the mornings? I don't know. Let me know what you think. This has been a blast. I'm going to pan over my strawberry patch. I cannot wait to see this patch in 30 days. We're going to come back and do a strawberry patch tour in 30 days. You wait and see. They're going to be amazing. Hopefully they're covering the ground over there. I don't want to put a ground cover. I'd love for the strawberries to be the ground cover, because as those strawberries shoot off runners, yeah, it's going to be packed. That's what I'm looking forward to. So, all right, let's pan. Let's see. Thanks for hanging out with me. Here we go. Oh, yes. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Can you imagine all the strawberries? This just being a full strawberry patch. Do you see that vision like I do? Let me step back so you can maybe see all of that. Can you see that? I hope you can. It's just a little strawberry patch. We'll have some probably peppers in there. There will be some volunteer. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4 volunteer sunflowers right now, and I always have a sunflower in the corner. That's a volunteer. That's normally my Sunflower Steve designated area, but since that sunflower is volunteer, I'm not going to pull it out, and we're going to wait and see just exactly what that sunflower ends up being. Stick around. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to make sure you get videos as I post them. Peace. Have a great Sunday. Bye now.